He has plus past participle. He has grown taller. He has won a trophy. He has lost his keys. He has drawn a sketch. He has run a marathon. He has walked the dog. He has composed a song. He has acted in a play. He has learned Spanish. He has faced his fears. He has written a novel. He has directed a movie. He has finished his work. He has sculpted a statue. He has swum in the ocean. He has valued friendship. He has traveled to Japan. He has supported a cause. He has adapted to change. He has challenged himself. He has achieved his goals. He has performed on stage. He has produced a podcast. He has impressed everyone. He has served his country. He has motivated his team. He has donated to charity. He has painted a portrait. He has rescued a lost dog. He has designed a website. He has admired his mentor. He has built a sandcastle. He has overcome obstacles. He has danced at the party. He has edited the document. He has helped his neighbor. He has explored the forest. He has respected diversity. He has developed new ideas. He has networked at events. He has eaten lunch already. He has improved his skills. He has assisted a stranger. He has supported his family. He has shared his knowledge. He has inspired many people. He has sung a song on stage. He has studied for the exam. He has conquered his doubts. He has praised his employees. He has slept for 8 hours. He has given his best effort. He has succeeded in business. He has created a masterpiece. He has recovered from the flu. He has surpassed expectations. He has mastered the technique. He has healed from the injury. He has matured over the years. He has arrived at the airport. He has saved money for a trip. He has cherished every moment. He has inspired others to act. He has failed the driving test. He has photographed the sunset. He has consoled a crying child. He has defended his principles. He has spoken with the manager. He has congratulated his peers. He has watched the movie twice. He has encouraged his students. He has fixed the leaking faucet. He has volunteered at a shelter. He has communicated effectively. He has bonded with his siblings. He has cooperated with teammates. He has sacrificed for his dreams. He has interacted with customers. He has worked overtime this week. He has protected the environment. He has listened to the new album. He has befriended new classmates. He has played soccer with friends. He has cooked dinner for everyone. He has uplifted someone's spirits. He has connected with old friends. He has cleaned his room thoroughly. He has comforted a grieving friend. He has influenced others positively. He has collaborated with colleagues. He has motivated himself to succeed. He has contributed to the community. He has donated clothes to the needy. He has celebrated special occasions. He has cheered for his favorite team. He has participated in the discussion. He has encouraged a struggling student. He has contributed ideas to the project. He has engaged in meaningful conversations.